Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to use Microsoft Word's built-in screenshot tool. So first, open your Microsoft Word document on your PC and then go to this one Insert tab. Click on this one Insert tab and then click on this one a screenshot drop down menu. Here you will see active window. These all are active, that means opened and left it without minimizing these one screens. You can click on any available documents. This will take a screenshot and automatically insert your Word document. In case in case you want to take a screenshot of any opened window, a specific part, then click on this one Insert tab, select a screenshot drop down menu and then click on this one a screen clipping. This will turn your mouse into a this one cross icon, or you can say plus icon. Just press the left mouse button, then drag mouse over the screen and select your desired portion and then left remove the fingers from the left mouse button. This will take a screenshot of particular portion of any opened window and then it will automatically insert in your Word document. Like this, you can take a screenshots using Microsoft Office Word document. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.